Mastering GRE, the art of prioritizing questions. Hello learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into one of the most vital strategies you need to master for the GRE, prioritizing questions. Nailing this technique can be your key to achieving that dream score. Remember, it's not just about getting the answers right, but getting them right within the limited time you have. Before we delve into how to prioritize, let's understand why. The GRE doesn't differentiate between hard and easy questions in terms of points. An easy question you get right earns you the same points as a hard question. So, why spend excessive time on tougher questions when there are easier ones waiting for you? Prioritizing helps you maximize your score in the shortest amount of time. Start by quickly scanning the section. This will give you an idea about 1. Types of questions present, e.g., text completion, reading comprehension. 2. Length of passages. Some passages are short and might take less time. 3. Complexity of questions. If you see a question with a math concept you're great at, you know it's a quick win. The scan shouldn't take more than a minute or two. The idea is to get a brief overview, not to understand everything. Now, based on the scan, categorize questions into 3. 1. Easy wins, questions you are sure about and can solve quickly. 2. Doable but time-consuming, questions you know how to solve but might take time. 3. Challenging, questions that seem tough or on topics you're not comfortable with. First, attack the easy wins. This ensures you're bagging maximum points in minimum time. Then move to doable but time-consuming. Leave the challenging ones for the end. Remember, this is a strategy, not a rule. If you find that a question you thought was an easy win is taking too long, skip it and come back later. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. Your end goal is to answer as many questions correctly as possible, and sometimes that means changing tactics midway. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to prioritize questions on the GRE. Remember, mastering this strategy will not only help you answer more questions but do so more efficiently. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're confident that with practice, you'll become a pro at prioritizing in no time. Best of luck, and happy studying!